Hey, it's Jonathan Oshevire here. First of all, thank you for taking part in this 5-day LinkedIn bootcamp. You are not going to be disappointed. I'm so glad you're coming up with me on this journey, okay? Really, this is something that's really going to help you get more traffic and get more clients for your business. A LinkedIn platform, the changes that are taking place right now will benefit your business. Now, before I take you to my whiteboard to explain the first few funnels, okay, I want you to really focus. Get your white pad out. Get away from any sort of distractions. I really want you to take notes and learn in this bootcamp. It's gonna benefit your business. So join me in the whiteboard. Welcome to the whiteboard, day one. Before I talk about the funnels, I just wanted to remind you why you need to have a presence on LinkedIn. First one is the 590 million professional subscribers are on LinkedIn right now. Okay, that's the first clue. The second clue is the 26 billion Microsoft spent on LinkedIn. That's a clue. They felt that 590 million, which is going to go on to 600, 650 million, is worth $26 billion. Now, the third reason is the B2B guys, they have monthly budgets, 6 monthly budgets, a yearly budget to spend on your products and services. Okay, that's why you have to have a presence on LinkedIn. Listen, this 5-day bootcamp, you're going to learn a lot. Let me take you first now to the funnels. Now, the first funnel is really simple. Look at that. For those of you who've never been on LinkedIn before, you obviously got to register. Okay, you've obviously got to register. That's why I've left this box here. Register on LinkedIn first, and then obviously you want to connect. Now, when you connect, I want you to have a personalized message. Don't use LinkedIn's default messages. Use a personal message, okay? Be a bit more personal. Be different from the 90% of people out there who are using the default messages. And then you definitely want to follow up, okay? Most people do not follow up, by the way, and I want you guys to think about what I'm trying to say here. Very simple box, yes? But it's basically, if you've already registered, connect with a personal message. I should have put personal there, really. And then you want to follow up. You want to follow up, say thank you for connecting with me, and just say something. I've left a little something below the video. You will see that. Check that out, okay? 3-step process with LinkedIn, really. That's what I'm going to be, when we go forward, we're going to go through this. We want to connect, which we're doing there with a personalized message. We want to engage. That's a bit of engagement. That's kind of like the start of the engagement, but we're going to talk about more about engagement. And then we want to capture. We do want to take people away from LinkedIn and start building a list. Okay, that's where you start to get into your funnel. Okay, so once you've registered with LinkedIn, okay, what I want you to do to start thinking about is to increase your connections. Okay, what we used to do is we used to connect with our friends and family and colleagues to expand our careers. But now, if you're in business, you want to start connecting with your ideal prospects. So register. Search for your ideal prospects on LinkedIn, and then you want to start connecting with your ideal prospects. Connect, the C just means connect, the different people. You want to, from 200 to 500 to 1,000 to 3,000. Imagine you connected to 3,000 of your ideal prospects, and then you start to turn them into real leads. Okay, let me just take a step back so you can see that. You want to turn these connections into leads, and that's why you're increasing your connections all the time. Remember, some of you guys are spending $2 to acquire a customer. Some of you guys, $5 to acquire a customer, $10 to acquire a customer. You're connected with these prospects, high quality prospects, for free, okay? And you want to turn them into a client. Remember, networking, LinkedIn is about building that relationship. It's all about relationship building. It's all about the engagement, which we will go into. Eventually, you want to start getting clients from all these connections. That's why I said from the outset, okay, you can get monthly clients coming into your funnel all the time. This is just the basic funnel. We're just starting over, remember. But eventually, we're going to go into this bit, that box in there. We're going to go into that relationship. This is the key, guys. This is the key to turning this into clients. So you can start charging $1,000 a month, $5,000 a month. This is the funnel that we're going to be talking about today, in the next couple of days. So I'll see you next time. Tell me, was that cool or not? I mean, if you're enjoying this bootcamp right now, listen, and you want to take it to a different level, if you want to take your LinkedIn and get more traffic, listen, click on the buy button below and join the funnel program that we've got. Okay, the price we have it right now is ridiculous. Okay, I just want people to come in, benefit from this course, and actually tell the world about it. And that's why we've got the price as it is at the moment, because we are going to whack the price back up. We're just looking for good testimonials. So listen, if you're enjoying this boot camp, listen, come join us. You'll get the rest of the bootcamp. You don't have to wait till the end to get this. All right, so join us, and I'll see you tomorrow.